Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering, GMR Institute of Technology, Rajam. My topic is very simple and common. Modes of heat transfer. This is the very common topic we have studied from right now from 6th class. But still now we are not confident about it. Sometimes we read or write the definition of convection into conduction, definition of conduction in convection. So first of all we should know what is heat transfer. It is made up of two words, heat and transfer. Transfer means some motion, some movement, some displacement of something. We heard one spectre is transferred from one station to another station. Money is transferred from Reserve Bank of India to State Bank of India. What is this? This is transfer. In some case, person is transferring. In some case, matter is transferring. So in our case, heat is transferring. Heat means some form of energy. So when energy is transmitting, it is called heat transfer. But now one question arises. Why this transfer takes place? Is there any reason? Because in a nature there is no process without reason. Why that spectre is transferred from that region to another region? Maybe he was caught red-handed by taking bribe. In bank, some customer has demanded more than 5 crores money at a time, so that State Bank of India requests to Reserve Bank of India to release some money transfer. So in this case, our heat transfer is having one reason, and that reason is temperature difference, delta T. When there is a temperature difference between two systems, between two places, there will be heat transfer, and it is a direction from high heat transfer to low heat transfer. So now we assemble the term. It is the science which deals with the energy transfer due to temperature difference between two systems and towards low temperature. Now there are various methods of heat transfer which are generally known as modes of heat transfer. In general, there are three modes of heat transfer: conduction, second convection, and third radiation. Now suppose I want to distribute chocolates among you. So I think there are three methods. So in first method, what I do, I put all chocolates on this bench. My first friend takes one chocolate and remaining supplies to second friend. He takes his chocolate, remaining supplies to third friend. What is happening here? I am the source, I am not moved. He is the receiver, he has also not moved. He is the molecule. When the heat transfer takes place without motion of actual molecules, this mode is called conduction, right? Because my purpose is solved. Because here the molecule is not moving, person is not moving, and I am the source. Source is also not moving, but heat is transferred, chocolates are transferred. It is called conduction, and this property is found in all solids, right? Now second method is convection. I think it will take more time and there may be some cheating. One friend can take more than two chocolates. So what I do, my one friend comes to me, I give one chocolate to him and he occupies the last seat of his row. Meanwhile what happens? The second person shifts to first seat and then he comes to me, I give him again one chocolate, and during this second transfer what happens? The last person also shifts to last but one seat. So in this way a circle forms. When this circle forms naturally without any disturbance, it is called natural convection. What happens? When we boil say water, suppose this is a vessel in which the water is containing, it is the heating source, right? So there are various molecules. So the molecule which is nearby this candle, nearby the heating source, it gets heated. its temperature increases. What happens when temperature increases? Its density decreases. So this molecule comes to this free surface. And meanwhile, the second molecule, which is in this position, he shifts to this position. So there is a circulation forms. So this is called natural convection. Now what happens? The last person of second row, what he thinks? If this process goes on, I will get my chance in very late. Maybe chocolates may be finished. So what he suggests? He suggests to the last person of first row, you push so that my term will come so early, so that I can get chocolate. So when this force is that is here we see the motion of molecules takes place. When the motion of molecule takes place naturally, it is called natural convection. When I pushing the force, this motion of molecule takes place, it is called force convection. So this is the difference. So when the actual motion of molecule takes place due to density difference, right? When the motion of molecule takes place due to density difference, it is called free convection or natural convection, right? Now there are free convection and forced convection. So it is due to density difference. And when some force is applied by means of fan or blower or any means, it is called force convection. Now the third is, what I think in this way I will get more time, it will take more time. So in what I think, I keep all chocolates on first bench and I throw one chocolate to each and everybody. So this is radiation. There is no media between source and receiver. It is called radiation. So when it is the mode of heat transfer in the form of electromagnetic waves, which are the form of energy, because these waves are contains photons which are having some energy. So that the energy is given by E is equal to h mu, where mu is the frequency of that radiation and h is called Planck's constant. So in this way we can get how much energy is transmitting from source to sink. So the best example is sun. That is, we are getting the solar radiation by means of this radiation. That is, we are getting sun rays from solar radiation. Now what happens? Now these are the three modes. Now one person, he takes chocolates, one chocolate, two chocolate, three chocolates. Afterwards, what happens? He gets saturated, right? So it is the capacity to that person to eat the chocolates. So their capacity, this capacity is found in each and every substances, which is called thermal conductivity. So it is the ability to conduct the heat is called thermal conductivity, and it is the property which is different for different substances, right? So in this way I will revise the terms. What is heat transfer? It is the science which deals with the energy transfer between two systems due to temperature difference between them and towards low temperature. There are three modes: conduction, convection, radiation. When the heat transfer takes place without motion of actual molecules, it is called conduction. Solids are the examples. When the heat transfer takes place by means of motion of molecules, if it is due to the density difference, it is called free convection. If it is due to the force, it is called forced convection. And when the heat transfer takes place in the form of electromagnetic waves, it is called radiation. Thank you very much.